Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, Leos, we are picking few cards. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming right after this daily energies, guys, your general energies, Leos. So these are the cards for your general energies, Leos. It's the Fool in reverse, King of Wands, and Queen of Wands. So, with these cards in your situation, Leos, maybe in this love, maybe in this connection, you have a beautiful understanding with each other. You have that intimacy, harmony, and balance in this connection. And you love each other, mutual love, respect, caring, and understanding is there in this connection. And maybe in your career situation or in your um, maybe in your career, guys, there are some things you are doing, or maybe people are quite careless, negligent about some things. There are certain changes coming in your career and you need to make certain corrections, but you are not aware because of your carelessness or because of your negligent attitude. So you need to correct those, guys, if you want more success and if you want more uh, potential, work with that more potential towards success. And I also see that you are uh, putting in lot of efforts, guys, Leos. So it may be in your career or it may be in this love. You are trying to bring that beautiful understanding, trying to work really hard for your career, whatever goals that you have. So you are having that confidence that you can handle any situation well, Leos. So that may be the reason that you're overlooking some things, some circumstances that are coming today. So you need to be uh, really aware of what is happening in your career or personal life. Maybe some circumstances are warning you about certain things. You need to be really careful, guys, aware of the change you need to make for things to go in a better way, guys, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. For that love reading, stay tuned. That reading is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two piles here. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can close your eyes and choose the pile. Open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way that reading may resonate to your situation, guys. So I'll be starting with this deck. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So let's see what is coming with the first deck. I will start after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so let's start with this deck. I'll be picking 3 cards randomly, guys. We have a few cards falling out. This is your first card. This is your second card, and this is your third card. So let's see what is coming for those who have chosen this card. The Devil, Nine of Moons, Postulant of Stars. So guys, with this card, for those who have chosen this first card, in this love, in this connection, maybe guys, you have that deep physical attraction to them. And maybe for some of you, you are not even thinking whether you both have something common between you both, something that will bring that attachment and bonding. So you have just rushed towards this person without that deep thought, maybe based on some very superficial things, maybe that physical attraction or that passion you have towards them. So some immature decisions would have led you to be in this connection, but you are also willing to change, or they are also willing to change, maybe make some changes, because this situation, maybe for some of you it is out of control. Maybe the way they are behaving, they are reacting impulsively, and it is turning out to be a kind of abusive relationship. So maybe for some of you, you want to change yourself or try and change this person. So if you have love, this person is going to change for you guys, or if they have love for you, they are going to change for you, or if you have love, you are going to change for them. So otherwise things will be difficult in this love, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is coming with the second pile. So with this pile, let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking 3 cards, guys. So for those who have chosen this second deck, let's see what's coming up. It's 4 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Fool. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck, so maybe in this love, or in this life together with this person, maybe this person is quite immature. They don't have that clarity in whatever they are doing, guys. And maybe they are also quite careless and lethargic. They are not willing to do anything for you or for this love. And I also see that their careless attitude is bringing lots of difficulties for you in this love, in this connection. And they are going for some immature behavior. They are just dreaming, and they are not really willing to do anything for this love, guys. And maybe they are having some kind of weakness also, guys. Maybe they are into some kind of habits. Again, that may be really stressing and worrying you. But I also see that things are slowly changing. Maybe if you have that, if you both have love between each other, and if it is true love, this person, if they have that true love on you, they are going to change, and you are seeing some hope in your future, with some changes coming in your situation. Maybe you are proposing to them, or they are proposing to them, or maybe for some of you, you are having a child together. So some circumstances are changing beautifully to bring both of you close together. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.